How to use Edu Kaushal. Open the app. Click on the subject. Select the level. Select the lesson. Introductory word. Seashore. Unnecessarily. Through. Gleamed. Stranded. Limping. You were able to listen to the audio of the highlighted text. Repeat loudly after each audio the same way you heard. Awkwardly.
Awkwardly.
Brace.
Brace.
Certainly.
Certainly.
Click on the word you want to hear and repeat. Seashore. Stranded. Continue in the same way. Unit 6.
Unit 6.
Prose.
Prose.
Puppies for sale.
Puppies for sale.
Pre-reading activities.
Pre-reading activities.
Listen to the story.
Listen to the story.
And answer the questions orally.
The questions orally.
Listening.
Listening.
Comprehension.
Comprehension.
It made
a
difference.
A difference.
As I walked on the seashore one evening, I saw an old man bend down, pick up something from the ground and throw it into the water. Repeat each paragraph until you read it right. Pause the screen and read yourself to check your learning.
Unit 6. Prose. Puppies for sale. Pre-reading activities. Listen to the story and answer the questions orally. Listening comprehension. It made a difference. As I walked on the seashore one evening, I saw an old man bend down, pick up something from the ground, and throw it into the water.
1. To change level. Start with beginner level. If you are able to read comfortably, go to achiever level. If you are not comfortable with the pace of achiever level, switch to beginner level and practice. Then come back to achiever level.